I'm Hussein. Uh, this is my second video on my second article that I'm sharing the key insights about that, which is five common business risks and how to tackle them. So, regardless of the size or sector, every business has risk. They do face in some point of at some stage they every business faces that. So my article, I'm going to talk about in a nutshell what you're going to find uh, in that reading. So the difference between the surviving versus booming in business, it's how you manage those risks. And this article delves into five most common risks business face, and importantly, how to proactively manage them and to support the long-term success. So let's begin with number one is the financial risk. That includes your cost overrun. It can include market shifts or sudden downturns. So what's the solution? Um, and that's where it comes to going beyond the basic budgeting, using scenario planning, predictive analytics, and I'm going to say establish a financial safety uh, net to prepare for the unexpected. So next, I talk about the operational risk in my article, and that what do we mean by operational risk? Think like I'm going to say think about the supply chain disruption or equipment failures in the industry, automotive industry, or any mechanical industry, right? So I recommend a blend of technology and strategy. And what are they? Those strategies? It can be number one, you're diversifying suppliers. Number two, uh, employ IoT to monitor operations in real time.